In next 5 years, AI won't replace project manager, but the people who don't use AI, they will be replaced by those who do. Crazy, right? Because while most people are busy in fearing AI, a handful of smart project managers are quietly using it to work less, deliver more, and becoming unstoppable. Right now, the smartest PM across the world are using AI to plan faster, make smarter decisions, and lead projects that never miss deadline. And here is the wild part. Most professionals still think AI is just a hype until they see how much time, recognition, and promotion these AI-driven PMs are getting. So in this video, we are going to break down exactly why smart project managers are betting big on AI and how you can join them before it's too late. Because it isn't just another AI tool video. This is about transforming how you think, lead, and grow in next decade. You know those people who always seems one step ahead. Yes, those are the PM who saw AI coming before everyone else did. A few years back, while most of us were buried under Excel sheets and endless report, a handful of project managers start playing with AI tools like ChatGPT, ClickUp, and Notion. They weren't coder or tech genius. They were just tired of spending weekend writing clients update. Like Jemmy, a project scheduler from London, he started using ChatGPT to write weekly report. What used to take him around 3 hours now only take 20 minutes. His boss was impressed, his client was amazed, and Jamie, well, he finally got his Saturday back. Later he realized AI didn't take his job, it gave him the time back. See, smart PM aren't using AI to replace themselves, they are using it to amplify themselves. Have you ever opened a project dashboard and think, what on the earth I am looking at? Hundreds of numbers, risk log, cost curve, pure chaos. Now imagine AI is stepping in, scanning every bit of data and saying, hey, vendor 3 is trending toward a delay based on historical pattern. And then you fix it before it even becomes a problem. That's not future. That is happening right now. McKinsey found that AI-driven decision tools can make teams 25% faster and reduce the schedule overrun by 40%. The truth is, AI doesn't replace your intuition. It supercharges it. It's like having a co-pilot who never sleeps, and the PM who understand that are moving from reactive to proactive, from managing chaos to creating clarity. The PM using AI aren't just saving time, they are accelerating their career. Take Pam, a mid-level project engineer from Houston. She started using AI to create dashboards, summarize meetings, and visualize cost trend. Her leadership team was stunned. They promoted her to program manager in 6 months. Basically, she stopped competing with other PMs. She started collaborating with AI. LinkedIn 2025 report says AI fluency is now one of the top 5 skills driving promotion. So if you ever felt stuck doing everything right but not getting noticed, well, this is your edge. The future belongs to AI-enabled PM. Let me be honest, when I first used AI, I felt threatened. It felt smarter, faster, maybe even better. But then it hit me, AI doesn't have empathy. It doesn't care when your team is exhausted or when a client is stressed. It can't inspire people or build trust. Well, this is where we win as a human. Because leadership, judgment, and emotional intelligence, those can't be automated. So AI gives data, but we as a human gives direction. And that's not competition, that's called collaboration. And trust me, PM who figure that out will lead the next generation of the project and people as well. So if there is one thing we learned today, it is this. AI isn't there to replace us. It is here to raise us. It's helping smart PM to save time, think clearer, and lead with more impact. And if you have watched this video so far, you're already ahead of 90% of professionals who still think AI is a threat. Because always remember, in the end of the day, AI gives data, but we as a human gives direction. Together, we are not just adapting to the future, we are building it. And remember this line, smart PM don't fear AI, they train it.